everyone. Welcome to Yummy Talks with Recipe Dabba. What we are today trying to do is, do a 4 p.m. snack recipe, kind of a hack. So Rakshita is going to show us how, you could quickly, cook up some really easy snacks with, some stuff that you need to kind of create, but at the same time, stuff which is left over at home as well.
Yeah. The first recipe is going to be chocolate roll, chocolate roti roll. Kids, those young kids especially, they eat with their eyes.
Yes, absolutely. Anything which is visually appealing has got to be tasty for them.
Exactly.
So that's the hack.
Yeah, that's the hack, right? So you have to make it appealing. Secondly, you have to make sure that you as a mother is able to get that nutrition content in the food.
Right. So, and that's your buddhi.
That's my buddhi.
Yes, at least can I try this?
Definitely, please go ahead. I'll be more than happy.
All right.
Take the one which has more chocolate. Yeah. So this is sweet. This is tangy.
So I don't come to know that there's curd in it.
Okay.
It's a little tangy, obviously.
Yes.
Because of the curd, but the kid definitely won't come to know.
Yes.
And this is extremely simple.
Yeah.
And very, very nutritious.
So now that we've done something sweet,
it's time for savory.
Yes, savory. So, okay, this is one of my favorite recipes, right? And I've done in many workshops, and the kids definitely like it. Most of the times, I find kids loving this recipe. They go back home and they try it as well.
Nice.
You want to try this?
Absolutely. Do you want to try it as well? Why don't you try it too?
Yeah, definitely.
This is our version of safe puri.
Yeah.
Nothing less than what we get out there in the streets. Thank you so much.
And you're free to add anything which you want while you're eating, right? So that's the easy thing.
Oh, this is really awesome. Let's get started with our grumpy and smiley sandwiches. I'm really excited to hear what the story behind this name is, though.
Yes. So again, as I said, my son. So my son is an inspiration for almost all the recipes. When he was in play school, we were learning about shapes also. So then I thought about, okay, fine, then why not you would go ahead in the books and do certain things. Okay, this is the way. This all balls are like circle, and this is all star. So I said, okay, why not implement the same thing? Okay, and let's just do that. It's gonna be fun. So I would say, okay, fine. I will ask his choice, and this was another way to make him finish his meals in the different lunch box.
interesting.
Yeah. So the spinach is there, and in fact, you can actually pack it in a different rice, right? So it's
I'd love to pack this for my lunch.
It's very easy. It's healthy. It's very easy. You know, you don't add butter like anyways. You're not.
And
adding.
again, I'm not getting that taste of corn.
Yeah.
So your kid won't come to know.
Yes.
It's as simple as that.
Absolutely.
And
You
then
can't
very,
take
very,
out
very fine taste
Yeah.
of spinach
Spinach.
and coriander.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So much, Rakshita. I think I loved going through all the recipes, and I'm sure all the Baby Chakra mothers would love it as well. Watch out for these recipes with Recipe Dabba on www.babychakra.com, or download the app because it's much easier to access all the recipes that today Rakshita has shared with all of you. Have fun with your fussy eaters and see you on the app.